standing, look. You can see red. Hello guys, we're on our way now to Tagaytay. We're gonna visit Yoki's farm today in Tagaytay.
Yes, and then we're gonna feed the animals. Are you excited, Kowo? Yes!
Excited na siya. See you in a bit.
Say bye-bye, Kowo. Bye-bye.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie.
I'm at...
We're here in Yoki's farm. Hey, Luis, come on. Gonna go inside the rabbit house. Hey, Luis, look! Your hamsters, ay, your guinea pigs. You can go inside. Diba your pet?
Pwede naman.
You can go in.
Later. Wait, sige po.
Go, darling. Go.
Ito po mga American guinea pigs po yan. Ito po yung Abyssinian guinea pig.
This is all yours. You got it. Nicely done.
Are you having fun?
I will feed the rabbit.
You want some food? Come here.
Ito na po muna tayo. Mamaya na lang po balikan po natin.
They're sleeping. Ayan, guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa tortoise feeding. Ito siya, tulog siya. Ayan, oh. Ayan, malaki siya. Phone Plus, look how big. Shell. That's the shell. Kata tortoise. Ayan sila. Sleeping. Hello. And then, like that. This one, Eloise, oh. Ayan, laki. Ito siyang kalaki, look. Yan, ang laki-laki niya. So, pwede mo i-touch yung shell. Ay, ang tigas. Parang bato.
Just gonna try it.
Let's try.
Hello.
Hello. He's eating the crunchy. It's He's standing up. Did you like it? The turtle encounter. Did you like it?
I don't like the
I don't think they're real.
What is... Ayan!
hello.
There's 4 of them.
Grandma, Daddy, Mommy, baby, and another one.
Look.
Oh, another one.
Parang
They were going inside.
So, nandito po yung mga collections. Ito yung farm.
oh, nice. We're in Egypt. Remember that we watched? Go inside.
Pawait na lang po kami dyan.
Awesome. And for a toot.
Picture ka muna sa atin.
Here, Lee. One, two,
Meron muna
three.
ng tissue. Meron muna sa akin tissue.
Okay.
Meron muna tissue.
This is the food area.
Meron po tayo Palawan Bear Cup also known as Binturong. Family po sila ng mga sibit.
Asivit. Oo nga, Asivit family.
Largest sibit. And then sila din po is, there are
Fun.
Yeah, it was great ever.
Let's sit muna and wait for tatay.
See the animal.
What are you gonna see?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna see the bird. Are you excited? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you.
Er,
Yeah.
Why are you excited?
Because I like to see the animal.
Go in.
The one that looks like a statue over there.
Ito sa tawag namin African trumpeter dahil po sa huli po niya is para pang trumpet.
try?
No.
Oh, those small birds.
The small one.
Kunwari sa...
So many birds.
Tatayo lang see yourself.
Agad lang timing mo ng isang
Oh.
bird na dragon po naman.
Tao eh.
Crimson po na iguana, di ba nandun?
Oh.
Put it down now.
Medyo ko lang, anak. Come here. Huwag na siya. Look at him, look at him. Move tayo dito, move. Wow.
Wow. Ang strong ng ano.
Natatakot na to.
It's okay.
Kuya, pag tour guide, required kayo ang kailangan marunong kayo humawak.
Para ma-assist po namin yung mga
Oo nga eh. Hindi pala ako pwedeng tour guide dito. Ha?
Are you scared? It's
Nali-
okay.
yan. Ito naman po is
Albino?
leucistic po na python yun. Dalawa po yan. Leucistic po na python.
Let's pass it. It's okay. Nagagaw na nga siya. May attitude nga ito.
Dito. Sinasakyan to, di ba?
Dito po, hindi po yung sinasakyan eh. Po yung kasawari po. Yung kasawari po, sila po yung one of the most dangerous birds. They have powerful legs that can deliver deadly kicks causing serious injury.
Are you having fun?
Water.
And another one I saw is family.
Family tayo yun nag
Oh,
What's that, darling? What's that?
capybara. Oh, baby
tatlo.
Tama to.
Ang cute!
They're babies.
Dahil naman po yung mga
Cute. Where's the daddy?
nandun po sa loob, yung tatay niya.
Ah, the tatay is there.
Lil, say bye to your classmates na.
Alright, the Hana whale. Okay guys, so right now, we're here in Yoki's farm. Katatapos lang ng tour natin this morning. So far, kahit marami tayo nakasabay na mga field trip, ewan ko ba kung paano ko na-manifest yung ganitong kadaming kasabay today. Sabi ko pa naman weekday para hindi masyadong matao. Pero baka kasi may field trip dahil malamig yung panahon. Very ngayon, hindi masyadong mainit. Tapos malamig yung hangin. Dumating kami ng mga 8:30 a.m. na. Stop over pa kami sa expressway. It was an hour and a half supposedly na biyahe, pero inabot kami ng more than that. Hindi ko rin alam paano na-manifest na ganitong kadami yung kasabay. Sabi ko lang naman kagabi kay tatay is baka maraming tao bukas. Alam mo yun, mali mo bigla tayong may makasabay na field trip. And ngayon nagsisingkin sa akin yung power talaga ng words natin. Guess what, guys? Not 1, not 2, not 3, pero 4 na field trip ang aming naka-encounter today. Siyempre yung main concern ko na kaya ba na ang dami namin kasabay sa entrance, na ang dami talagang tao ng entrance ng Yoki's farm when we arrived. Parang 5 bus yata, 3 bus yung sumalubong sa amin doon. And sabi naman ni ate doon sa cashier, kaya yan ma'am. Nandito na rin kami, so wala na namin na choice kundi magtiwala lang, di ba? #tiwala lang guys. Nakakatuwa, kaya pala sabi niya, kailangan talaga ng tour guide. He can guide you around para mas mabilis mong manavigate etong farm. Ganda din kasi yung may maayos na flow. Nakakatuwa yung guide namin si Kuya Chris. Dina-divert niya kami away from or against the flow ng mga nag-field trip. So, hindi ka lang kung naririnig nyo ako. Dito kasi ako sa playground, guys. So, ayan. Naglalaro kasi si Eloise. Kaya ito yung quiet moment ko with you guys.